How to make modern civil architecture. House with 2 floors, balcony, and external front staircase. Material preparation. Gather sand, small stones, cement, and water. Building the frame. Construct a basic framework or mold to outline the house structure. Mixing cement. Combine sand, cement, and water to create a smooth mixture for construction. Shaping and assembly. Pour the cement mixture into the mold, creating walls, floors, and other structural elements. Adding details, carve windows, doors, and refine the house's appearance. Final touches, paint and decorate for a finished look.